So, I don't know, maybe a month or so ago, I got this shed. It was over in the backyard of the rental house that I've been working on. And you know what? I needed a shed. So we picked this one up off the ground, slid it up onto this trailer, and it's kind of been sitting here ever since. Started working on it. You know, I got too many projects, but so from here down, all this T111 was rotten. These boards were rotten, termites. You know, this is how it sits normally, and it wasn't treated lumber, so it's treated lumber now. As you can see, the door's a little rough. I got to replace the doors. I was working in here today. Replaced the flooring. This part was all rotten. Replaced that. New band board down here. I'm knocking like you can see it. This is the best one of what was left, you can see. So I'm going to take this deck boards and fill this hole, staple that back